embracing the beauty of slow living in the English countryside. Spring is in the air and Easter is just around the corner. There's something so special about this time of the year. Fresh scent of blooming flowers, the soft warmth of the sun, and the feeling of new beginnings. Let's slow down, breathe in the fresh spring air, and enjoy the simple beauty of nature. Spending time in the vegetable plot always feels like a little escape from the world. The air is filled with the soft scent of earth and fresh greenery, and the only sounds are the gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds. I can already imagine how this place will transform in the coming weeks. I can't wait to see each tiny seedling push through the soil, growing stronger every day. And one day, I'll walk through these rows with a basket full of fresh vegetables. Until then, I'll keep coming back, enjoying the quiet moments, and watching this little space come to life. I will be sharing with you the recipe for the most delicious carrot cake, with a subtle hint of orange, topped with a smooth frosting made from cream cheese, white chocolate, and fresh orange juice. It's like a cozy embrace. A simple joy that makes every bite feel extra special. I'll be leaving the full recipe in the description. I hope this video brings you a sense of peace and inspiration, and appreciate the simple joys in life. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more cozy moments.